Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit slim body in mobile phone using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut, and first thing first, I'm going to open up the project I have just created. And if we want to edit slim body in CapCut, we have to go to the retouch menu. Tap on your video first, and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find retouch and select the body and go to the manual. Okay, then you have to select slim, and we can adjust the slim editing. I'm just going to place it right here and increase the value like this. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click on the check mark, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to edit slim body in mobile phone using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.